Welcome to West Coast Grandma. So I'm sure that you're wondering what the heck is toad in the hole. Well, toad in the hole is an old English kind of one dish supper that I had a lot growing up. Partly because sausages used to be fairly cheap and you could make a whole dinner, feed the whole family, and it's delicious and super easy. So today I'm going to show you how to make toad in the hole. Of course, sausages are not cheap like they used to be. So today I was able to find beef sausages. They're just the ones that I prefer. You could use any sausages. There's a lot of those different stuffed ones, you know, mushroom or whatever, or chorizo, whichever. So today I have beef sausages. All you're gonna do is take your beef sausages and put them in a glass dish. And it's just 4, so that's perfect for my husband and I. So I did spray the edge just with my spray oil. You really don't need to because the sausages stick to the bottom of the dish and they splash a bit of grease up on the side anyway. So all I'm going to do is take my sausages. I've got my oven set at 400 degrees and I am going to put this dish in and I am going to cook them till they're nice and brown on the top, and then I'll continue from there. Okay, while I have my sausages cooking, I'm going to mix up the batter. I have my newest version of a Vitamix blender. If you watch my channel, you know all the story of my old one and getting another replacement. Oh, it's just been one thing after another. Anyways, I got this one and it's pretty good. So in my blender, I am going to put 3 eggs. Now these are the eggs, again, from my friend up the road, Karen, from Flatlanders Farm, where we just had our plant sale again the other day too, which was a big success. There we are, 3 eggs. And I will put in 1 teaspoon of salt, and this little spoon is a ½ teaspoon, so 2 of those. And then I'm going to use my freshly milled flour, and I'm going to put in, and these are just approximate, not quite a whole cup of flour. So you can see it's fairly close, but not quite. Put that in there, and I will get my milk, which is my Cowichan milk from, it's called Local. It's from the Cowichan Valley, and I'm going to put 1 cup of milk. There we go. And I'll just grab some pepper, and we'll put a little bit of pepper in as well. So I'm going to turn my blender on, and all I'm going to do is give this a good mix. Now this is your traditional Yorkshire pudding batter. I probably put a little tiny bit more flour in it because I just love it when it's thick in the toad in the hole. So I am going to put this on and just get it mixed up. All right. And that's all there is to it. So now I'm just going to let this sit until my sausages are nice and browned in the oven. Okay, I took my sausages out and I just poured the batter that I made in the blender, which, like I said, is the Yorkshire pudding batter. I just poured it straight over top. Don't have to do anything. I did drain off a little bit of the fat, but I just poured it on, and we will come back. It takes about another 30-35 minutes, and you wait until you see how good it looks when it's cooked. So now I'm going to pop this into the oven. And I still have it on 400. There we go. And I will come back when I get it out of the oven. Okay, I just came back in to check the toad in the hole, and it's ready. So I'm going to take it out of the oven and show you. Look at that. What a dinner that is, hey? So all I do is slice it into a big chunk and serve it with a vegetable, and you've got your dinner. You've got your meat and your starch here, so you've got it all. So hope you've enjoyed this and hope that you will try it. It is a very simple, delicious dinner from my grandmother, of course. So hope you will definitely give it a try. West Coast Grandma is signing out.